The Dorset biological warfare experiment stands as a cryptic chapter in Cold War history, revealing the shadowy undertakings of military and scientific agencies during a period of intense geopolitical tension. This video serves as a documentary-style exploration of the Dorset biological warfare experiment, shedding light on the covert research, ethical dilemmas, and enduring questions that surround this enigmatic Cold War episode. Part 1. Cold War Context. The narrative begins by setting the stage within the broader Cold War context. The ideological rivalry between the United States and the Soviet Union spurred a clandestine arms race, leading to the exploration of unconventional weapons, including biological warfare. The Dorset experiment was conducted in a covert environment of secrecy and strategic maneuvering. Part 2. Location and Scope. As the video unfolds, it delves into the specifics of the Dorset biological warfare experiment. The testing site, located in the rural landscapes of Dorset, England, was chosen for its seclusion and relative isolation. The experiment's scope encompassed the release of biological agents to assess their potential impact on both the environment and human subjects. Part 3. Biological Agents and Ethical Questions. The documentary-style narrative sheds light on the biological agents used in the Dorset experiment. These agents, often selected for their potential use in warfare, raised profound ethical questions regarding the consequences of their release on unsuspecting populations and ecosystems. The experiment blurred the lines between military strategy and the potential for ecological and human harm. Part 4. Secrecy and Cover-up. The video reflects on the layers of secrecy surrounding the Dorset experiment. Classified as a top-secret military operation, the experiment was shielded from public knowledge and scrutiny. The extent of the secrecy extended to the individuals involved, raising questions about informed consent, transparency, and the ethical implications of conducting experiments without public awareness. Part 5. Public Reaction and Controversy. As the narrative vividly recounts, the revelation of the Dorset biological warfare experiment sparked public reaction and controversy. Once the experiment became public knowledge, questions were raised about the ethicality of such endeavors, prompting concerns about the potential long-term consequences and the accountability of those responsible for the experiment. Part 6. Legacy and Lessons. The documentary explores the legacy of the Dorset experiment and the enduring lessons it imparts. The ethical considerations and potential risks associated with biological warfare research continue to resonate in contemporary discussions about the responsible use of scientific knowledge in military contexts. The Dorset experiment serves as a cautionary tale about the unintended consequences of secret military operations. Part 7. International Implications. The video reflects on the international implications of the Dorset experiment. In the broader Cold War context, the pursuit of biological warfare capabilities by major powers fueled global tensions and contributed to arms race dynamics. The experiment exemplifies the lengths to which nations were willing to go in contemporary relevance. The documentary-style narrative concludes by examining the contemporary relevance of the Dorset biological warfare experiment. In an era where issues of biosecurity, ethical research practices, and international cooperation are at the forefront, the legacy of such experiments prompts reflection on the responsible use of scientific advancements in the service of national security. Conclusion. The Dorset biological warfare experiment remains a shadowy testament to the covert machinations of the Cold War era. As explored in this documentary-style narrative, the experiment raises enduring questions about ethics, secrecy, and the consequences of unchecked scientific pursuits in the pursuit of military advantage. Understanding this historical episode provides valuable insights into the complex interplay of science, security, and the human impact of Cold War experiments.